Hey there, curious friends! It's me, Jonnie Lemon. Today, we're going to play with colors. What is your favorite color? Do you know what happens when you mix colors together? Let's find out. First, let's meet our three superhero colors, the primary colors. They are red, blue, and yellow. That's me. These colors are super special because you can mix them to make all the other colors. Can you find something red around you? Can you find something blue? And what about yellow, like me? Okay, now it's mixing time. Are you ready? Let's do some color magic. Red and yellow make orange. Yellow and blue make green. Blue and red make purple. Wow! Now we have 6 amazing colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. That's a rainbow. Let's draw a rainbow together. Get paper, crayons, or paints. Ask parents for help if needed. To make a rainbow, we will start with red, then orange, yellow, green, blue, and finally purple. Yay! We made a rainbow.
Red, orange, yellow, bright and sunny. Green and blue, so cool and funny. Then purple too, the rainbow's end. 6 colors shining round the bend.
Next time, we'll make a color wheel and go on a color hunt. So stay bright, stay curious, and I'll see you next time at the Curious Lemon Lab.